It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you if a supplier can ship your items and how you can simply get your money back without any stress on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Edufish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to simply get your money back from any supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's see. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here, open up my 1688 shopping app. Then having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to click on here to go to your profile. It's going to take you right there. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. It's going to take you right there. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. That's going to take you right there. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Select the two items. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. That's going to take you right there. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here to select the reason why you are asking for your refund. Then right here, you will need to translate this particular page here in order to understand what is written right here if you don't understand Chinese language. In my home case right here, the seller is out of stock. What I need to do is to simply select on this. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply type in statement, the reason why you are asking for a refund, into this particular column right here. So in this section here, you need to make sure whatever you are typing right here is in Chinese character. And for you to do that, there are so many ways to do that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to simply use Google Translate to get it done. Now, first thing for we need to simply click here. So I'm going to simply exit from here now. Then I have to head over to my translate. So I'm going to click on my translate right here. Then having opened up your translate, make sure you set this to your language, primary spoken language, and translate to tradition. In this tutorial, I'm going to put it in English language while it's going to translate to Chinese. So I'm going to simply come to the text, enter text right here. Please, I'm asking for a refund because seller is out of stock for this design and they can't ship. So you have to state all the reason. As simple as that. Once you type everything, simply click on here to copy it. Then you have to head over back to your 1688, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here and paste your text. Then having pasted your text, just like what you see right here. Then having pasted your text, if you have the screenshot of the page, you can click on here to upload the backup screenshot. So, but if you don't have the screenshot, you can leave that point. So next thing we want to do is to click on here. Just like what you see right here, the refund has been submitted successful. And in this type of refund, it might take about 24 hours And in this type of refund, if the supplier did not approve the refund within the time frame of 24 hours, the refund will be completed automatically and you will get your money back into your Alipay account, just like what you see right here. Just like what you see right here, we have 23 hours, 59 seconds until this refund is going to be completed. But in some cases, you might simply use this particular button right here to talk to the supplier and then to fast track the refund process so you get your money back faster. And once you submit a refund also, the supplier is going to be notified that you asked for a refund, which is going to be found in your chat box right here with the supplier. And also, you can also use this particular section to contact the supplier to fast track the refund. So I'm going to simply head over back to my Google Translate right here, and I'll say, please kindly approve my refund request. Thank you. So it's that simple. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to copy the Chinese character. Then I go back to my 1688, click and hold down. Then I'll paste it right here and I'll send. So it's as simple as that. So the supplier have 24 hours to respond, or otherwise the system will automatically complete the refund process and you get your money back into your Alipay without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply get your money back if a supplier can ship your item as a result of out of stock or whatever reason it might be. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.